Hey guys, welcome back to Infinite Mamabilities. If you're wondering why I'm not wearing makeup, let me tell you right now. So a couple weeks ago, I posted a picture on Instagram and I wasn't wearing a foundation. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my skin so that I don't have to wear foundation, like literally any day of the week. So if you want to see how I take care of my skin and keep it like this most of the time, then just keep on watching.
Everything I've been using lately is from the NeutraOrganics skincare line, and I'm starting with this fruit peel, just putting a dollop on my hands, and I'm rubbing this all over my face, and then I'll leave it on for a while. I'll wait for it for a few minutes and then wash it all off. But what it is it's a fruit peel. It's like a cream jelly exfoliator, and basically it removes dead skin cells. They use like potatoes, turnips, and rose water and like other things that do awesome things to your skin. So I'm starting with that, and then I'm gonna wash my face with this Silk Royalty. It's one of their best sellers, and I had to have this, and it's made with silk that comes from like cocoons. So what it does is it cleans out your pores, it tightens your skin, and you kind of feel like you have like a facial spa after every use, but you have to be careful not to use it too roughly. Like I learned to use it softly, or else I feel like I'm like tearing my skin open for some reason, maybe because I have sensitive skin. Then I'm washing that off again, and then next I am using Crystal Drop. This is an anti-aging micellar water, and it like basically cleans your skin on the go. I like to kind of use it, it's not a toner, but I like to use it after washing my face because it like gets the leftover makeup and the leftover like dirt that is still there. Do you see that? Yeah, I'm showing that to you right now, and I love it because you don't need to like wash your face all the time if you use that. So after the Crystal Drop, I'm using this Silk Majesty Collagen Serum, and it's also anti-aging. I'm not old, I just want to prevent myself from getting wrinkles that come with age. So it's a serum, it keeps your face super supple. It just gives your skin like a very healthy glass finish glow. So I love using this. After that, I am using Fresh Face. I got it like before they changed the name, but I know now it's called like Deep Lift or something like that. Basically it's an anti-puff serum, and it's water based, and it helps like depuff my under eyes, and girl, you know I need that. It's made with cucumber, aloe vera. It pretty much was made to combat like dark and puffy under eyes, which I have. So after that, I'm gonna use Silk Dynasty, and this is also for the under eyes. I really love this so much. It's made out of argan oil, made out of silk from mulberries and ilamai, I don't know how to say it, and hyrian. It instantly lessens fine lines and wrinkles. So I've been using this religiously. And next I'm using this like face cream. It's called Pearl of the Orient. It's another bestseller actually, and what it does is it minimizes the pores, and that I need, again, because my pores started out huge. But I kid you not, I am not kidding you. I kid you not, I am not kidding you. My pores literally look smaller. Like I have been looking at I wish I could have taken like before and after pictures. I didn't think of that, but yeah, after using this for a couple months already, like my pores are visibly smaller. So it brightens your skin, powerful for anti-aging. There's already sunblock in it, so you don't need like extra SPF. And then it kind of mattifies your skin, and my skin is dry, so I like having like the other supple things already on my skin before putting this on. And sorry, oh my gosh, I sound so gross. I have sabun, if you can't tell. Next, I am going to be exfoliating my lips with this. I can't remember what it's called, oh my gosh, but it's this like strawberry lip exfoliator, and let me tell you, every time I use it, I want to eat it. So this is used like once or twice a week, and it just gets rid of like the dead skin cells or particles on your lips, and it makes your lips feel so good and velvety and smooth after, and smell amazing.
That's all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you want to order any of these products, I'll link all their information down below. It's local, it's Philippines, so if you're watching me from the Philippines and you can order from them, I'll link all the information below. And if you like this video, then like it, and if you didn't, then thumbs it down, so I know never to do like these kinds of makeup or these kinds of videos again. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you here again next time on Infinite Mamabilities.